Vatek Global is one of the major players in dental imaging system. The brand has been providing value-added technologies with best service support mechanism to its clients. Founded in 1992, the organization witnessed a tremendous growth in the global dental imaging industry. Vatek Global has been awarded with world-leading product for the next generation in the year 2003. A dynamic approach which promotes learn and grow culture in Vatek. The company was acknowledged by the Small and Medium Business Administration as one of the best companies to work. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly approach, Vatek Global is the thought leader in dental imaging systems. Within 2 decades of its existence, Vatek Global reached combined revenues of $200 million from its dental and medical propositions. The company in the year 2015 had its revenue more than $1 billion, far exceeding everyone's expectation. With 13 wholly owned subsidiaries in different parts of the globe, Vatek Global is committed to deliver its innovative products to all dentists practicing in their subsequent countries. Vatek India, a name which brings in help, care and assistance in the field of dental radiology. An extensive network and specialized support and service quality, the brand enjoys highest market share in Indian dental arena. Positioned as not only a trustworthy brand, Vatek India also shares almost 100% customers' delight.
Vatek's journey in India has been really dynamic for the last 2 years. In Egypt, it became #1 dental radiology company and regarded as the fastest growing company in very short time, while we are selling highest number of intraoral sensor and 2D panoramic machine in India.
At Vatek, it's not only about the sales number, it is actually helping the dentist to digitalize his practice, which is more accurate, convenient, giving him more time to interact with the customer, leads to customer satisfaction. That's what the customer wants.
Vatek has positioned itself as the most happening brand in India. Through our strategic communications, we ensure that the customers get the taste of the latest digital solutions being offered by Vatek. Vatek India helps dentists to go to the next level in the dentistry and also get better and higher returns. With our Go Digital campaigns through integrated marketing, we are proud that we have not only penetrated key markets but also developed the existing ones.
As a market leader in dental imaging space, it is our responsibility to provide our customers the best after-sales service and quality assistance.
Vatek has been consistently raising the bar of the global as well as Indian dental imaging industry. Professional and dedicated management team always strives to achieve excellence in their subsequent verticals.
I have worked in last 36 years of my practice with many companies and many brands. I think Vatek is one of the up there companies and cutting edge technology is there with them.
It is one of the best dental imaging companies in the world. And there are 3 reasons for that. First, their world-class software. Second, ease of usage. And third is their technical support.
Vatek gives me a convenience of handling the software at a very ease, along with better backup as in service and support, which actually is required at the subcom tool.
When I was looking for the CBCT unit for my clinic, one brand I liked the most was Vatek because of the latest technology, high quality, accuracy and convenient software.
With its largest number of installations for iOS and 2D panoramic devices, Vatek India has become the most preferred brand in dental imaging segment. The largest selling brand is proudly offering the more workflow concept and innovative solutions for your dental imaging requirements. The exceptionally advanced product range includes intraoral, extraoral 2D, and extraoral 3D panoramic devices. A very first of its kind concept of Vatek 123, which provides a 3-step service and support mechanism to its esteemed customers in resolving their queries in shortest time possible.
However, our goal of the business is not just becoming number one. It is just interim stage of our journey. As a long-term plan, we will return and share the most value to our business partners and dealers and finally customers. This is the social duty as a responsible company, and this is the way of the returning the favor to our customer trust.
I relate Vatek with good quality. I relate Vatek with good image quality, along with good productivity, as in conversion rate of my patients into practice.
I must confess that amongst all the companies that I work with, Vatek is the most cutting edge technology and most reliable brand that I've seen.
The two reasons which I feel for which I have selected Vatek is, first, is very reliable company, and secondly, it's very convenient to interact with them.
Today's customers just don't buy the product. Actually, they look for the customer value and they want to be associated with the brand for long term. In my opinion, reliability is the biggest factor they look for in any brand.
Product and process deviance are the things on the top of our priority list, as we believe we are as reliable as our products. Our success mantra is customer delight.
Our achievement is the growing reliability for Vatek as a brand.
Why they buy Vatek? Because it is most reliable brand in India.
Vatek, the most trusted name in dental imaging space.